my Diamond Art Peeps, this is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support. I love you guys so much. So I hope everybody is having a great day. Today is Sunday, and it is 6:36. It's August 27th. Wonderful weather here in Norman, Oklahoma. It's supposed to get a little warmer towards the end of the week, but I am not complaining. So today is a completion video, and I've got like a little bit of a hodgepodge of different things that I am going to show you. One is from my very second, this is my first, my second PR completion. And this is from One Day Savings. I got two canvases. One I'm not going to be doing until October, but this one I got done today. And this is a partial. It is a 30 by 30. There were 13 colors. But look at that rooster. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't that cute? The only thing that was diamond painted was just the rooster itself. But it turned out really good. Normally, I don't seal a lot of my canvases because I just put them in my portfolio, but I'm trying out a new sealant that I got from Amazon, and this is Fancy's Life. I got this sealant called Cool Lily, which I absolutely love, but I ran out of it and I cannot find it anywhere. And I looked on Amazon, they didn't have it, and so I'm trying this out. So far, not too bad. But this was regular drills, no crystals or any kind of special shapes. But this is so cute. And I am going to try to find some place to hang this in my kitchen. My kitchen is small, but it doesn't have a lot of walls because most of the space is taken up by cabinets, but I'm hanging this somewhere. So I want to say thank you to the people at One Day Savings for allowing me to do a PR review for them. So there is my first one. And all of this is not painted, which, you know what, it really works because the rooster itself is really pretty. So it's not bad. It's not bad, and it did not take away. I think it still has a pretty good shine to it. Okay, so that is from One Day Savings. I will also list my discount code in the description, along with the link if you would like to look at that, okay? And I paid $3.70 for that, okay? All right, so now my other two, actually, okay, 2.5, I guess I'm gonna say. 2 are off canvas, and these were for Diamond Grandmas and Diamond Painting with Sweet Teas, their event for this month, which was #BeachLife23. So here is the first one. And this has To the Beach, and the flip-flops look a lot better in camera than they do in life. They look pretty pixelated, but you know, it is what it is. And I got this I think I won this So I don't know where it was obtained from. But it's not bad. And I sealed this as well. I used another one, aqua sealant, which I got at, I think I got it at either Michael's. Yeah, I think I got it at Michael's, but I can't find that either, so I don't know. But it's not bad. And I forget how many colors this was, but there was no special drills and no crystals. Okay? And it came with like this twine, brown twine, but I didn't like the twine, so. But this honestly will just go in my portfolio, so. But that was well, this is like probably the second one that I did for Beach Life. And then look at this. Now I know Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea got one of these, and somebody else did this. And I believe, I can't remember, I just know Becky from Becky's Diamond Blinger is the reason that I got, she enabled me, because oh, that's right. She got this, and she enabled me, and I ordered it the very same day. But it is so cute. And this also ticks off one of my goals for 2023 was to do a gnome every month for the entire year. So this will tick off my gnome for August. Look at this, she's sitting on a beach ball and holding a raspberry popsicle. And I don't know why there are not that many female gnomes. You don't see them that a lot. So, but look. So this has like special drills or crystals. Well, all of them are crystals with special shapes. Right there. And then a band. And those little dreaded slithers. And this is also has been sealed. And I will leave her out for a little bit because she comes on this base. So here is the base, and you just slide it in there. So I thought that was really cute. And I can't remember how much I paid for it or which company I got it from. I paid some money was exchanged, a product was given, and there you go. All right. Oops, I don't have it in there very good. Hold on. All right. All right, so this next canvas, when I was saying 2.5 is because I did this for hashtag Beach Life 23 and also for Enza empowerment event that she had. I had such a great time working on this canvas, and this is actually my very first Distracted by Diamond canvas, and I cannot wait to go back and order some more. She was the young lady that owns Distracted by Diamonds was having a wonderful sale, and I think that I got this for like $19. This is a 52 by 52. It's a round and it's 45 colors, but she turned out absolutely fabulous. Look. Now, I picked her for empowerment because she has this gigantic smile and she is just like, there is nothing that can stop me. I'm on my way to the beach. There you go. See how I segued her into beach life? But look at her. Look at all of these cherries. Just fabulous. Okay, guys. Now, like I said, this is my first Distracted by Diamonds, and I will definitely be ordering more canvases from that company. The cons, I guess, would be the confetti. Oh my God. This dress was full of confetti. Full of confetti. Now the background, which is this kind of green, light green, I thought when I first looked at it, I thought, oh my God, I am going to do the background first because it was just color blocking. But the way that I had it sectioned off, I would just do the background as I was sectioning whichever section that I was doing. It was actually a welcome to do the background because it gave you an opportunity to get away from the confetti. I mean, the drills were wonderful, very tiny. I mean, I didn't really even bring them over because it was such small amount of trash that it wasn't even worth showing. The other con is that, and I don't know if companies do this intentionally or what, but it was like 1 was 0, 2 was 1, 3 was 2, that kind of things. So it was numbers, upper capital letters, and then lowercase letters. I felt like the lowercase letters were small and kind of hard to read, but I didn't use my light pad at all. I was able to see it, but that was kind of a little bit of a pain. And there were a couple of symbols, like this hashtag was the absolute worst. They were so small. And like I said, in the lowercase were so small. I didn't have any problem seeing the capital letters. They were great. There were light symbols on dark areas and vice versa, so I didn't have any problem seeing anything. The stick was good. There were a couple of places that you did like a little skating rink, but not, I've never had a problem getting anything to lay down. So the stick on this canvas was great. I absolutely loved working on this. Now I started this August the 4th and I finished it August the 25th. But I just felt it turned out so great. And I love her hair. I love doing that. And also I think just because the fact that it gave you another color to work on. You guys, in her dress, because there was so much confetti, the way I section off, I've started covering my canvases, removing the plastic and covering with parchment paper. And I was sectioning that part off with washi tape, but I found that the washi tape would kind of roll up on the edges, and then if I laid my hand down, then I had washi tape sticking to me. So I just took all of the washi tape off, and I would just kind of eyeball a section that I wanted to work on, use my little handy dandy X-Acto knife and cut, and that worked just as well. You guys, I am not kidding. I would do like a section like this size, 2x3, 4x5, something like that. In one section, there was 17 color changes. 17. Now, within that section, there was color blocking. So you had a heavily confetti area, but there was color blocking within it. And then you would have like 7 or 8 different colors that was, you know, like maybe 1 to 2 symbols that were the same, maybe one symbol by itself, which always makes me a little crazy that you have like 85,000 different color changes and then they throw in one color. Like, it's just like, here, I have not tortured you enough. Let's throw in one color. But I did not make any changes to anything. I didn't enhance or anything like that. I just went with the way it was charted, and it rendered really great. I take that back. I did have one change. Is in her teeth. For some strange reason, again, 85 different changes, one color that they just throw in. So they threw in right in the center a blue color. And I was like, why would you do that? Why? So I took that out and made it uniform. But other than that, I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this. And as a round, because I as much as I don't say I hate squares, but they're not my favorite. But I know that squares work up and show more detail. But with this, and you know, again, and I'm not finishing my sentences, I understand that you want that confetti to show the details. I get it. I do. I do. But sometimes, but that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so here is my finish for Enza's empowerment. So, and then my to the beach, my gnome on the beach ball, and then my rooster. Okay, guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, if you'll hit that like button on the way out, that really helps my channels. If you would like to become a part of my Strange Struggle Bus family, I hit the subscription button and hit the bell to be notified each and every time that I put out a new video. I appreciate that. I want to say again, thank you for One Day Savings for allowing me to become a part of your family. And I think that's it, guys. So remember to be kind to one another, keep cool and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.